Hi everyone, welcome back. In this following video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can find or locate transit number of Scotiabank. In order to locate or find your Scotiabank's transit number, first of all, you need to log in into your online banking account. And once you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to the home page. And once you're on the home page, right on top, there will be multiple options. And from the list, you need to click on the Manage tab. As soon as you click on the Manage tab, you'll be able to see multiple options. So from the list, what you need to do is you need to click on the Profile option. After that, you'll be taken to the profile page, and basically this is how the interface is going to look like. And as soon as you're on this page, as you can see right over here, you'll need to select the checking account first of all. And after you click on the checking account, and on the other page, you'll be able to see a transit number. And that is how you can check your transit number of Scotiabank online. However, if you're not familiar with this procedure, you can also find a transit number in your checkbook. So right at the bottom, in the left hand side bottom, you'll be able to see multiple digits. So that is actually your transit number as well as your account number. So in that way, you can locate or find your transit number on Scotiabank. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.